Hello and welcome to Learn Oracle Database video tutorial series. I'm Ahmed and we'll see today how to install Oracle Database on Windows. This is Oracle website, their official website, www.oracle.com. So you need to sign up here. First you click on that link. It says sign in/register. The link will lead you to this page, and now you can click on create account page. So this is Oracle sign up page. You can see the information with stars is mandatory information. You have to provide this, and after filling up this form, you click on that create account button, and they will send you an email to verify your account. Now that we have already signed up, now after signing in, we see this page. This is a home page for Oracle database, Oracle website. So from here we would go straight to downloads. Here we want to download Oracle Database 11g Express Edition. So here we go. Here we come on the download page, and there are different files for Windows 64-bit architecture and Windows 32-bit architecture. So you should be mindful for that, and click on the link for the Windows architecture you have. Here we have Windows 64-bit architecture, so we'll click on that. It will take a while to complete the download.